Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new TV to show you all. This is a brand new 4K HDR TV guys, 43-inch TV from Daiwa. So recently Daiwa has launched a couple of new smart TVs in India starting from 32 inches to all the way up to 65 inches, and all of them are smart Android TVs and come in both full HD as well as 4K resolution depending on your budget. The one we have right now is their 43-inch 4K HDR variant TV that offers some really good features for the price guys. First thing is, I've told you right, it's a 4K HDR Android TV, and on top of that it supports HDR10 also and is powered by quantum luminate technology. This is something that I'm quite excited to unbox and check out. And on top of that, the audio on this TV is also special guys. The audio processing is powered by DBX-TV technology. The brand says that this is something next level and offers much better audio experience than the normal TVs, and they're also telling that you usually don't need soundbar with this audio processing technology. That is also I'm quite curious to unbox and check out. Well, it came in this sort of huge box packaging, so without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Alright guys, so the TV comes in this sort of huge box packaging, and actually the box came in a wooden cage when it was delivered to me, but I removed that cage, I threw it outside before I brought it to my house, and there you go, this is how the packaging looks like. Decent packaging on the outside. The TV came in this simple looking cardboard box, has the Daiwa branding at the center on the front side, and you can see that some of its features mentioned on the front side. It's a 109cm TV, that means 43 inches in size, and is powered by DBX-TV audio processing technology. I've already told you that, and also comes with all the smart features that you'd like to have on your TV. Good thing is this is a complete made in India product guys. That is one thing good to know about. And that is pretty much it. Looks like there is nothing else written on the package. So let's directly open the package and then we'll have our first look at the TV. So this TV, as mentioned before during the intro part guys, is available in different sizes. The one we have right now is a 43-inch size and is a 4K HDR TV. So on opening it, we've got some accessories at the top. There's a wall mounting kit, two AAA batteries for the remote control. So yes, you do have a wall mounting option for this TV, and inside the package you also have an accessory packet over here which includes some paperwork, like there's a user manual and a warranty guide. Make sure to read that. Two plastic stands for the TV, some stand fixing screws, and here's how the remote control of the TV looks like. It's a pretty large remote and comes with lots of buttons on it. I'll show you the remote control at a later part in the video. So keeping all of these aside, now let's finally take the TV out of the box and give you a first look. So there you go, our brand new TV from Daiwa. This is a 43-inch 4K HDR TV guys, and comes nicely packed like this. Wow, from my first impressions, the TV looks quite attractive, has very thin bezels on the front side, and has a sticker which mentions some of its highlights. So what I'll do is I'll quickly install the stands to the TV and then set it up and be right back to continue the video. But before that, let me quickly show you all the available connectivity ports which are present at the back side of the TV. So as you can see, the TV offers lots of connectivity ports. It offers up to 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports are there, so you can even connect some pen drives and directly play some media from over there. And these were the ports to the side. Now going to the bottom, here also we have some ports over here. Let me show you. There's an RJ45 Ethernet port, optical port is there, 2 audio video ports are there, AV1 and AV2. Along with that, there's a RF port, and lastly a 3.5mm earphone jack. That's it. These were all the available connectivity ports on it. And you also have some buttons to the left side of the TV. There's a power button, a source select button, menu button, volume up and down buttons, and channel up and down. Alright guys, so I'm back to continue the video. So here is our brand new Daiwa 43-inch 4K HDR TV all set up and good to go. I've already been using the TV for the past few days, and in this video I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback regarding the UI, the built-in apps, software, features, and we'll also be talking about the picture quality, the display panel quality, the sound quality, and all of that guys step by step. So first let me tell you about the specs of this TV before we dive into the software features. So as I've mentioned mentioned before, guys, this is a new lineup of smart Android TV series that the brand has recently launched. The model we have right now is a 43-inch variant, and this is coming with a 4K native resolution panel, guys. The panel is an IPS panel on this particular model. And if you talk about the other features, it does have support for HDR10 and is powered by quantum luminate technology. And if you come to the audio also, the speakers on it are powered by the special DBX TV audio processing technology, guys. So the speakers, the audio on it is also a bit special. We'll be coming there in a moment. And if you talk about the all other features, see, this is based on Android 9. It's not an officially Android certified TV, but it has its own, the brand's own customized Android AOSP based ROM inside, and does come with its own app store and lots of built-in Android applications on it. And talking about the other features, it does have built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, so you can even connect your wireless Bluetooth powered soundbars, home theater systems or anything like that easily to the TV. And if you talk about the hardware specs, there's a quad-core CPU on the inside and has 2GB RAM, 16GB of onboard storage. Well, that's it, guys. Those were the specs of this TV. Wait a second, I totally forgot to mention about the build quality. Build quality of the TV is very good. The entire outer casing of the TV is made of high quality polycarbonate and has a nice matte finishing, so it doesn't attract fingerprints, also very nice. And if you talk about the bezels on the TV are also quite thin considering the price. It's got thin bezels on the top and the sides, but a slightly thicker bezel on the bottom side. We've got the Daiwa branding at the center, and going to the right side, there's a tiny status LED indicator. Now let me directly just jump into the TV's UI and show you how the home screen on it looks like. So here is the TV remote, guys. This is how it looks like. It's actually quite big, has lots of buttons on it, and it has some smart access features also, like there's a quick app access store. By pressing this, you can directly access all the apps present on the TV. Then you've got some other features like picture settings, sound settings. There's a mouse cursor feature also available. You can easily toggle that by pressing this button. And rest are all the same usual features found on most of the other TVs, guys. So yeah, let's directly jump into the home screen and UI. So there you go. This is how the home screen on the TV looks like. I have to tell you, Daiwa's TVs come with their own UI called as the Big Wall. And as you can see, this Big Wall UI curates a lot of content from different applications, present on the TV, and it'll suggest you a lot of different content category wise on the home screen. For example, at the top side, you've got the status panel, which shows you the Wi-Fi status, whether it's connected or not. Then you've got the settings toggle, you've got the Daiwa branding over there, and on the home screen, guys, you have a small window over here which keeps showing you the live TV. So at the same time, you can watch the live TV as well as check out the other entertainment content apps as well. Side by side, pretty nice. As you can see, currently IPL is going on, right? So you've got some IPL based content over here, and going down it shows you some recommended apps that you can download or you can watch from here only. Like, you've got lots of built-in apps on it, guys. You've got Disney Plus Hotstar, Z5 is there, Voot, Sunnext, Geo Cinema, Eros Now. A lot of apps are there on it, guys. We'll be coming to the app store and built-in apps in a moment. Going down, it suggests you like the best content you can watch, like the popular movies, top movies currently trending. Then you got the news section is also there, Hollywood section, lots of stuff, guys. Easily navigate using the remote. One more thing I have to tell you, suppose you want to watch some content that has been showed on the Big Wall UI, then you definitely need to have a subscription from that particular app. For example, Disney Plus Hotstar, you need to log in with your ID and then you'll be able to directly watch that content. So keep that thing in mind. Alright, so this was about the UI, guys. Clean, categorized and organized nicely, easily accessible, and also the UI feels pretty smooth. You can easily navigate like this. There is no sort of lag also. See, it's got a quad-core CPU on the inside, right? So you can't expect to be lag or any sort of stutters also. I didn't face any of that in my recent time of usage. And let me quickly jump into the settings and then we'll see what sort of settings the TV offers. So this is the system settings page. Over here you've got the network settings from where you can connect your Wi-Fi network, and then you've got the usual things like time, and in the common settings, basic settings are there like changing the language and system restore, factory reset, stuff like that. Then you've got the Bluetooth settings to directly connect your Bluetooth audio systems or Bluetooth game pads or maybe Bluetooth headphones, anything like that. And in the system info, you can check out the TV's information. I've told you, right, it comes with 16GB onboard storage and there's about like 9.8 GB of free space even after installing lots of Android apps on it. Coming down, you can see the Android version it's running is 9, and that is pretty much it. There is nothing else over here. So that was about the system settings, guys. If you want to access the picture settings or maybe sound settings, you've got direct buttons over here. Using this, you can directly access picture modes. Let me show you the different picture modes also available on it. There you go. You can see that you got standard mode, dynamic is there. There's a special cinema mode also, guys, and there's cricket mode. User, in the user you can completely customize the TV settings like, you know, brightness, contrast, sharpness, color. All of these can be tweaked and adjusted as per your preference, so that option is also there. If you ask about the sound settings present on the TV, well, I'll show you the sound presets that are available, different audio effects that you can apply at a later part in the video during our audio testing part. Keeping that aside, so let me quickly show you the built-in app store and the different apps that are available on it. You can easily access that by pressing the apps button. And there you go. This is the list of complete apps that are present on it. It has its own app store built over here. I'll come there in a moment. There's a built-in web browser, and these are all the Indian OTT platform apps, guys. You've got all of these popular apps present on the TV, like Eros Now is there, Disney Plus Hotstar, Hungama, Jio Cinema, then you've got Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, Z5, basically everything is there, guys. So that is not an issue at all. So this is how the app store on it looks like, guys. From the app store you can download some more OTT related apps like maybe View TV, Twitch, or a lot of other stuff are also there, like music related streaming services like Ghana, Spotify, and a lot of other stuff. It's very easy to download them. For example, you want to download this Hungama music, just click on that and hit the download button, and that's it. It'll automatically installed on the TV. And if you observe so far, guys, the UI feels like very smooth on it. I didn't face any sort of lags or stutters even while opening and closing of the apps. Transitions are also pretty good. So far, pretty nice performance on the TV. So that is pretty much it, guys. Our complete look at the software, the UI, built-in apps, and also the app store on the TV. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly load up YouTube, play some videos, and show you the picture, you know, display quality on this TV. I wish I could just, you know, play some nice movies, colorful HDR related content, but I can't do that because of copyright thing. Anyways, I'll just play one of my video only and I'll show you how the display on this TV looks like. Alright, so this is one of those videos where I'm like super excited because I got my hands on one of the first 11th gen laptop from Intel. Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago Intel announced their brand new 11th gen Tiger Lake U series CPUs for all the notebooks and ultra thin laptops. H series gaming series CPUs are yet to be announced, but anyways we have the U series right now. So with this introduction of 11th gen Tiger Lake CPUs, Intel showed a lot of promise with the performance improvement during the launch event, especially the graphics side, guys. They've introduced their brand new Iris Xe graphics with these new 11th gen CPUs. That is what something I'm really looking forward to show you how it performs in like real world. Okay, you guys just saw the picture quality of this TV, right? So let me tell you, the brand has actually provided a very good display panel considering the price of this TV. See, whatever experience or feedback I'm sharing you about the TV right now is completely based on the panel's performance considering the price point, guys. So keep that in mind. I've played a variety of content from different apps like YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, from different resolutions like, you know, HD to 4K, and I have to tell you, I was actually quite impressed with the panel's quality. There was good amount of detail thanks to that it's a 4K native panel, right? All the text was like super sharp, crisp, and you know, even in scenes where there was skin tones or people's faces visible, all the detail and the texture was pretty good there. It was rendering them very well, and also I didn't face any sort of compressions or artifacts, and especially banding, all those stuff was not there on this TV. That's a good thing. And if you talk about the colors, well, you saw the demo, right? You're seeing right now the colors on this TV are actually pretty good. It was producing rich and vibrant colors thanks to its IPS panel. And also if you talk about the viewing angles, I had no issues with the viewing angles. It's IPS, right? So you do have wide viewing angles, and it was producing the same colors even from the extreme angles if you look at the TV. So that is not an issue. But one thing I would have said is I would have preferred to have a little bit more contrast ratio on this TV and slightly a bit deeper blacks. And if we talk about the dynamic range on the TV is pretty decent. See, again, this is an affordable budget category 4K HDR TV, right? So I can't complain much for the price. For the price, it's actually doing a good job. No issues over here. So that was about the panel, display quality on this TV. Now let me tell you about the sound. Sound quality on this TV was actually very impressive thanks to its DBX TV audio processing technology, guys. You guys heard the sound, right? The audio quality was pretty good with great clarity, and you could easily understand all the dialogues of the person speaking in the video. I've even played some movies on it, and let me tell you, the audio dynamic range is also nice, and it was producing some nice artificial surround sound effects as well. The TV does offer you some different profiles powered by DBX TV audio technology, like you do have like music profile, movie profile, night profile, so you can switch to them according to your needs. So that is pretty much about the sound. And also, guys, about the audio level, the output, it was pretty damn loud. It was covering my entire hall, and very nice and loud, quite satisfactory actually. You don't actually need to buy a separate soundbar, that is true. If you're tight on a budget now, the built-in speakers on this TV will get your job done. So that's it, guys. That was my experience about the TV's display panel and the sound quality. And also one more thing I have to tell you about the network connectivity and things, right? See, I was using and streaming all the services using built-in Wi-Fi only. I was connected to a 2.4G network and didn't face any sorts of connectivity issues also. Everything was smoothly, streaming. I didn't face any buffering issues. So connectivity is also pretty good on the TV. Well, that is pretty much it. That's my complete review on this Daiwa's new 4K 43-inch HDR TV. It's a very nice TV for the price, guys. The build quality is good, panel looks good from the front, offers a great picture quality, and the sound was also impressive. So that's it, guys. The price of this TV is around like 24,999 rupees and is available in offline market in India. It's available at most of the popular retail leading stores. You can definitely go there and have a look at this TV. So that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.